There's a point, 7,000 RPM, where everything fades. The machine becomes weightless, just disappears. The only question that matters, who are you?
There are a few people who find something they have to do. Something obsesses them. I'm that guy, and I know one other man feels exactly the same.
You're gonna build a car to beat old man Ferrari with a Ford.
Correct.
Now knock it off, Ken. We got work to do and this car ain't gonna build itself.
Out there is the perfect lap. No mistakes, every gear change, every corner. Perfect.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are headed to Holley Ford Fest.
It's
No,
just right.
it's too early.
We'll get it early.
It's dark.
Yes, but we have to make a stop for you, which is breakfast.
Breakfast. We're going to get some breakfast. We've got about a what, 6-hour drive or so?
Approximately, yeah.
In this raggedy old Mustang. So wish us luck today. Do your little dancey dance, buddy.
I have to. Your cat, you have like 30 cats, and they leave little landmines everywhere. It's horrible.
Oh,
Cat poops is like the worst smelling of all.
we're a mile down the road.
This ain't
We've made it 1 mile.
This ain't gonna be a good trip because now we have a cat poop smelling car.
Now it smells like cat turds in here. I told you watch out, and you didn't listen.
How can you watch out when cats bury their poop? You can't watch out.
They're little mounds. You just avoid the mounds. You would have never made it in Nam. You know that?
No.
We're leaving our first fuel stop.
Yep.
Averaging what? Maybe 16 or so miles to the gallon?
Yeah, something like that. That's pretty average for a little 289.
For a Mustang, you know.
Yeah.
About as good as you can get.
On Power Tour, I was able to get 17, which is amazing.
That's 1 more mile to the gallon.
It is, but it's still a higher number.
Just a better number, I guess.
That's right.
So far, so good. Temperature's been running good, and oil pressure, and all that stuff. Can't really complain about it.
Not at all. Not at all. I'm happy. I'm doing good. Knock on wood.
We're driving through some town. I've tried to get like 6 people to race, but Jerry won't race them.
This thing ain't got what it takes to race.
I got a Civic to line up. He wouldn't race him. This man right here, he's scared. Man's scared. All right. Try to run? You ready? 1, 2, 3. This man got gapped by a Camry with a Boosie sticker on it. He got the Boosie sticker. We made it to Ford Fest.
About 5.5 hours, not bad.
Not bad, not too bad of a ride. I had a great time bugging the hell out of Jerry here.
Man, he's a menace.
Like a 4-year-old child in the passenger seat when I get bored.
That ain't no lie. No lie at all.
But we're here now. We're registered. This band costs $70
Yes.
for a spectator. Mo Party did it better. Are they pointing you? What are they doing?
Do I go that way or this
You
way?
know, you go straight, go straight,
Oh, okay.
go straight over there. Trying to navigate a Ford guy.
First time here, never been before. That applies.
Now go left. Guess now we're gonna go see what's at the show. Probably not gonna be a whole lot, being it's Friday. But we'll get acquaintance with the fairgrounds here. We made it. Parked up. I'll go check out all these raggedy Fords they got. Sit swap meet. Watch some drag racing, maybe some drifting. See what Ford Fest is all about.
Like I said, probably not my greatest idea. It was pretty cold. I only managed to get a few decent low-light shots of Jerry and Mike's Mustang, but I'd say it was worth it just for the experience. Anyway, we're headed back to the Airbnb here. They ended up having a foosball table where we stayed up way too late playing foosball for how early we had to be up the next morning. But anyway, that's the end of Ford Fest Part 1. Check out the next video for Part 2. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.